What this means for markets: several things are now in motion that investors and market observers should track closely. 1. Consumer electronics is in a structural repricing cycle. This is not a one-quarter event. TrendForce forecasts memory prices remaining elevated through 2026 and into 2027. New capacity from Micron, Samsung, and SK Hynix will not reach consumers in meaningful volume until late 2027 at earliest. Intel's CEO Lip-Bu Tan stated bluntly, "There's no relief until 2028. More announcements will follow." 2. The memory makers are the direct beneficiaries. While Apple shares fell 6.1%, the memory shortage has been enormously profitable for Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. Global memory industry revenue spiked 81% to $97 billion in Q1 2026 alone. Micron recently locked in $22 billion in long-term supply commitments. The shortage is, structurally, a transfer of margin from device manufacturers to component suppliers. 3. AI infrastructure spending is cannibalizing consumer technology affordability. The $1 trillion plus being deployed into AI data centers globally is not just abstract capital expenditure. It is physically competing with consumer electronics manufacturers for the same silicon. When a hyperscaler signs a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar memory purchasing agreement directly with a manufacturer, it removes that capacity from the market. The laptop buyer at the end of the chain pays the difference. The AI boom has a price, and ordinary consumers are now starting to pay part of it. 4. The iPhone September launch will be a critical market signal. If Apple raises iPhone prices this September, particularly on the Pro models, it will represent the most significant iPhone pricing move in years. Bloomberg Intelligence's estimate that a $100 hike could cover 78% of higher costs gives Apple room to act without sacrificing margins. Watch that announcement carefully.